Today we're gonna make homemade style Chipotle chicken bowls right from scratch. This dish has loads of flavor, it's absolutely delicious, and takes less than an hour to make. This is fresh, easy, and honestly way cheaper than buying it. Now let's get into the recipe. First, I'm going to marinate the chicken so it has time to soak up all the flavor while I prep everything else. First, grab a large bowl, then add in your lime juice, orange juice, soy sauce, sugar, paprika, Mexican oregano, and salt, ground cumin, ground coriander, and garlic powder. Mix that all together and finally add in your chicken thighs. Make sure the chicken is coated well, then take it to the fridge and let it sit for 2 hours. Now let's make one of the most underrated salsas from Chipotle, which is the corn salsa. To start, grab a large bowl and then add in 2 cups of corn, some lime juice, salt, cilantro, and diced red onion. Now mix that until it's well combined and your corn salsa is done. The second salsa we're going to make for these Chipotle bowls is pico de gallo. First, grab a bowl and then add in some diced tomatoes, diced red onion, cilantro, lime juice, and salt. Now make sure to cover it up and put it in the fridge while we prepare everything else. For the base of the Chipotle bowl, I'm going to make cilantro lime rice. Add in 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of hot water, 1 stick of butter, and some salt. Let your rice cook for 20 minutes. While the rice is cooking, let's make Chipotle's most overpriced salsa, guacamole. You're going to want to start by removing the pit from the avocados, and then with a spoon, remove the shell from the avocado, grab a whisk, and mash your avocados until it's creamy and smooth. After that, add in some diced tomatoes, diced red onion, cilantro, lime juice, salt, pepper, and finally some ground cumin. And now combine all of those ingredients and your guacamole is done. By then, your rice should have finished cooking, so then add in some cilantro, lime zest, and lime juice. Mix those ingredients together until they're well combined. Before we cook our chicken, you're going to want to preheat your grill to 450 Fahrenheit. Add in your chicken and let it cook until you achieve some nice char and the internal temperature is 165 Fahrenheit. Lastly, cut up your chicken into small cubes. To assemble your Chipotle bowl, you're going to first add in your rice, chicken, sour cream, corn salsa, pico de gallo, and finally, guacamole. And there you have it, your Chipotle bowls are done. Let's see how this tastes. Wow, this is so good. The chicken is smoky, the pico and corn salsa add some freshness to the dish, and the guacamole really brings everything together. Honestly, this is a really good Chipotle bowl. Let me know if you try this out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.